Hi everyone, welcome to Excel Dose. In today's video, I will show you how you can create a progress bar like this. So let's get started with the video. If you like this kind of content, please subscribe to our channel. Now let's move to the solution. First, I will explain you like how I have created this particular progress bar. For that, I have used three different metrics. One is like if you can see here the dark portion and then the light portion, and then we are presenting here the numbers. How I have created such thing? For that we need to use here the repeat function. To use the repeat function, we have to simply type here repeat, and then here the first argument is text to repeat. So let's say I want to repeat text A, and then the next argument is number of time repetition. So let's say I want to repeat it as a 2 times because here I am presenting 20%. For that, what we need to do is we have to simply select this cell B2 and then into 10. So now if you can see, A is repeated 2 times. So similarly, if I drag this formula here, so now you can see 40% is repeated 4 times. So now instead of A, I need here the dark portion of the progress bar. For that, what we need to do is we have to use here the another function, which is character, and then type here the number as 9608 and then simply close the bracket. So now if you can see, we are getting here the dark portion of the progress bar. So now to get the light portion of progress bar, what we need to do is we have to simply copy this particular formula, and then here we have to use ampersand and then simply paste the formula. So now we have to replace this particular number 9608. So instead of 9608, we have to use here 9617 and then simply press the enter button. So now you can see we are getting here the dark as well as the light portion of the progress bar. So if you can see here for the light portion also we are getting the number as 2. So instead of 2 we need here the 8 because 10 minus 2 equal to 8. For that what we need to do is we have to use here 10 minus B2 into 10. And then so now you can see we are getting here the light portion as well as the dark portion of the progress bar. So now we have to get here the numbers or the percentage. For that what we need to do is we have to use here the ampersand and then put here the space and then again ampersand and then text first argument is B2, then we'll select here the B2, and the second argument here is for that what we need to do is 0% and then simply close the bracket. So now if you can see we have created the progress bar. So simply just adjust the column and then simply drag and drop this particular formula. So if you can see we have created the similar progress bar here. So this is how you can create a progress bar in Google Sheet. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to Excel Tools. Thank you so much for watching.